Number 27, we have a cylinder with given dimensions. Which measurement is closest to the lateral surface area in square centimeters of the cylinder? Okay, we have to understand something very, very, very important here. Okay? They don't want to know surface area, they want to know lateral surface area. So what that means is you have to stand the object up on end. And we're looking for the surface area, right? Except for the top and the bottom. So basically just the sides of the cylinder. All right, that's what we want to know. So what we have to know is we have to know the circumference of the circle, because it's a lot like if I had a rectangle. We'll pretend that's a nice rectangle. I would need to know here and here the measurements. Okay? So when you think of a cylinder, if you were to split that cylinder, if you were to take the ends off and split the cylinder right down the middle here, you could lay it flat and you would have a rectangle. So if you know the circumference, that's basically that measurement. And then, you know its height. So it's that measurement. And since it's basically a rectangle that's been rolled up, once we unroll it and let it lay flat, we could use the formula to find the area, in this case, the lateral area. So it's just simply 7.6 times the circumference. So what is the circumference? So it's 2 pi r. So circumference is 2 pi r, not r squared, just 2 pi r. So 5.8 is the diameter, and half of the diameter is the radius. So we have 2.9. The radius is 2.9. Pi is 3.14 twice that times 7.6. Well, it's just 7.6 times 2 times 3.14 times 2.9. So let's just do that. 7.6 times 2 times 3.14 times 2.9. So you get 138. If you just multiply this straight across, you get 138. But I tell you what, let's do this another way. So let's see with the calculator. Let's just write that down. 138.4. That's what the calculator said. If we just multiplied straight across. Well, let's do this. So this is 6.28. Put that calculator back. So we have 6.8 times, oh, my bad. Let's clear that. So we have 6.28 times 2.9. So that gives 18.12. times 7.6. And indeed, you do get the same answer. All right. So we're asking which measurement is closest to the lateral surface area in square centimeters of the cylinder. So we're looking for somewhere 138.4. Let's see, do we have it? Well, we have one that's darn close, 138.5. I'm going with C. Let's check our work. There you have it.